Hello and welcome to another interesting class on ray optics. So today we'll discuss about refraction, how the light bends, that is the bending of light, and what is total internal reflection. So what is refraction? Refraction is the bending of light when light travels from one medium to the other medium. Look at this example. So there is an incident ray, incident on a glass slab. A part of ray is reflected back to the same medium, but a part of ray is actually passing through the glass slab. But this was the actual path of the ray. Light ta ei bate pass karthanda. But when it encounters another medium, this is your air medium. Light is traveling in air. But here light is encountering some at this point encountering some other medium. So they say medium. Okay, media kimba medium boli kuhajaye. So glass is a medium, water is a medium, any kind of oil, liquid, any kind of solid that can be said as a medium. So light kon hola bend heigala. Light straight line re jautila, but when it encounters some other media, so it is bending. Okay. So let's discuss about this phenomena of bending. Bending. Ko prakara bend habo, let us discuss. So before that, I mean the reflection re padithile. So incident ray, reflected ray, incident angle, reflected angle. Similarly, I mean is a point of coincidence where the incident ray, reflected ray and refracted rays meet and the normal meets. So is a point of it point of coincidence. So जो जगह रे दीटा medium meet करछन सेठी आमे गोटे normal टे draw कले. So the angle between incident ray and normal is called incident angle, as we all know. But the angle between refracted ray, this is called refracted ray. Remember, this is not reflected. There is a difference between reflected and refracted. Refracted means it is passing through the other medium. Reflected means it is passing through the after reflection, it is passing through the same medium. Okay. So this bending of light is called refraction, and the ray which is passing through this water media or some other media, so that is called refracted ray. Okay. And this angle with the normal is called refracted angle. You can say angle of refraction or refracted angle, and they are all measured relative to the normal. As we have studied the law of reflection, से भलिया गोटे law of refraction मध्ये अछि. So ता पूर्व देखिबा. So तुम क्वेश्चन आसीओ शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन भी बहुत गुडे आसे. So reflection रे हमें कोन देखतेले velocity, wavelength and frequency of light all remains constant. But here in case of refraction, velocity and wavelength of the light changes. Velocity and wavelength of the light changes, but frequency remains constant. Okay, so this is the beauty of refraction. Okay, and refraction को केमती study करा जाए ना, refractive index, that is one of the important term to study refraction. से जिनसटा कौन refractive index माने कौन? Refractive index is called the velocity, the ratio of the velocity of light in air to the velocity of light in any medium. This is the mathematical definition of refractive index. Okay, velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in any medium. Jim coily on refraction, velocity and wavelength changes. So similarly, the light in air, velocity of light in air kon c, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8. But गोटे medium देगी जेतरा पास करछि केते तार कमी जाउछि कि बढ़ुछि, बढ़िवार तो चांस नै, सो कमी होई obviously. Okay, so सेही जिंसटा को हमें एठी स्टडी करछि. But law of reflection jemti amar achi, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Similarly, we have a law of refraction. Law of refraction. Law of refraction that was given by Snell, scientist, 1600 something मसीहारे से देइथिले. So that is called Snell's law. Snell's law. Snell's law कौन कहला? The ratio of the sine of angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is theta 1. Snell's law कौन कहूची? The ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant. Okay, so that constant is called as mu, denoted by symbol mu. That is called refractive index. So refractive index or एटी कौन होला दीटा definition है गला the velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in medium that is denoted by these symbols and that is also equal to the sin theta 1 by sin theta 2 where theta 1 is the angle of incidence and theta 2 is the angle of refraction. Okay, so this is the definition of refractive index. In general बहुत गुडे बही रे n1 n2 भी देई थाए refractive index or symbol, so don't get confused. Okay, so you can write like this. But what is this mu1 and mu2? Generally refractive index को एमती लिखा जाए 1 mu2 माने refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. ए symbol रो definition होची refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 किंबा स्नेल्स लॉ अनुसार जो देखिबे that is equal to mu2 by mu1 ताको एमती रिप्रेजेंट करे 1 mu2 माने refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 ratio of the 2 divided by 1. Okay, so that is again equal to kono by sin theta 2. So it is kono la mu1 sin theta 1 is equal to mu2 sin theta 2. Again this is also Snell's law. Snell's law को प्रकार रो बही रे केमती प्रॉब्लम देछि को कोन कोन डाटा हम देछि से अनुसार हम ई फार्मूला देछि कोड करियो. Okay, so on what factors this mu depends upon? On what factors this mu depends upon? Mu depends upon the nature of the medium. As I said, the oil neo ki glass neo, any solid neo ki air neo. So it depends upon the nature of the medium. Medium को प्रकार every medium has its own refractive index. Okay, तो सेटा सी कहबो and another thing कोन कहबो it depends upon the wavelength or color of the light. It depends upon the wavelength or color of the light. So how refractive index depends on the color of the light? That is again a question mark. So as I said, so this is related with this formula. माने 1 mu2 is equal to mu2 by mu1 जदि हम लिखिबा that is again equal to v1 by v2 किबा c by v anything you can write. Medium 1 divided by medium 2 हम लिखि परिबा हैला. So that is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. बुझिला. So they are inversely related. ता अर्थ कोन हला हम देखिबा आगु गुटे प्रॉब्लम म कहिबी. So blue color रो लाइट बेसी बेंड करिवो ना रेड कलर रो लाइट बेसी बेंड करिवो जदि क्वेश्चन पछरा जाय. गोटे white light, it is composed of 7 colors, right? So in general हमको white light देखा होची but ताको जेतले refraction जेतले हम स्टडी करिबा, so bending of light जेतले स्टडी करिबा विभिन्न मीडिया देकी जेतले पास करिबा, so there will be chromatic dispersion. Okay, so ए सब phenomena हबो. So सेठी red color रो light बेसी bend करिवो ना blue color रो light बेसी bend करिवो ना blue color रो light बेसी bend करिवो. जहार वेवलेंथ कम सी बेंड हबो अधिका लैम्डा जहार लेस बेंडिंग मोर बेंडिंग विल बी मोर बुझियो छी एंड लैम्डा जहार अधिका बेंडिंग विल बी लेस. सो ता पूर्व हमें देखिबा रिफ्रैक्शन रो केते गुटे जिंस आगो स्टडी करिबा तापर जिबा से सब प्रॉब्लम्स को हमें जिबा. ओके, बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट व्हेन अ लाइट ट्रैवल्स फ्रॉम अ रेयर मीडियम. When a light travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. कौन कहले? This medium is air. This medium is water. So water रे molecules माने densely packed ना नहीं. So that is called as dense medium. It is definitely denser than air. So this is called as denser medium. So ए केस रे जदि हम देखिबा, so this upper medium is called as the rarer medium. Rarer medium. So here what we are observing, so air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium, and when light travels from the rarer medium, when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the light bends towards the normal. The ray of light bends towards the normal. ये सब जिंस जोटा हमें रे डायग्राम स्टडी करछे, these are all monochromatic light, singular wavelength, monochromatic light बोली कुआ जाय. तापरे हमें different wavelength ର ଯଦି beam ଥିବ ତାକୁ भी ଆମେ discuss କରି परियो जेंति white light is composed of 7 colors, 7 components have their own wavelength. So तार जेतले white light ର जेतले refraction हबो सेतले कोन हबो that we can observe. But here for the time being we are discussing monochromatic light, singular wavelength, single wavelength. So when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Normal pakuku bend hela. When light travels from denser to rarer, suppose this one is denser, this one is rarer. When light travels from denser to rarer, देखो dense medium it suppose water. So this is your dense medium and this is your rarer medium. Suppose let it be air. So it bends away from the normal. Normal to दूरी. Okay. So when mu1 kimba n1 is less than n2, when n1 is less than n2 and light is traveling, so it bends towards the normal. तमन कोन refractive index air medium रो कोन कम, refractive index water medium रो कोन अधिक. Okay, so n2 जदि greater than n1 ताले light sorry suppose गोटे हमें साइन कन्वेंशन नबा n1 is greater than n2 सेते बेले लाइट bends away from normal. ए केस रे n1 greater than n2 हला light bends away from the normal. एठी n1 less than n2 हेले light bends towards the normal. तापर देखियो पडिबो लाइट कोठु को पटु को पास करछि सेटा भी मध्ये ऑब्जर्व करियो पडिबो. तळु उपरु जाउची कि उपरु तळु जाउची से एरो मार्क ऊपर डिपेंड करे. सो सिंपल ए जो डेफिनेशन रे हमर जहा लिखाई छी सेति के आगे देखिबा. The light when travels from rarer to denser it bends towards the normal, and when it travels from denser to rarer it bends away from the normal. Okay, so this is the definition. तापर देखिबा what is called total internal reflection. What is called total internal reflection? So the conditions for the total internal reflections are the incident ray must travel from denser medium to rarer medium. These are the two conditions. It is short questions. What are the conditions of the total internal reflection? It is thile hi kevalo total internal reflection satisfy he. Incident ray must travel from a denser medium to a rarer medium, and the angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. ये दीटा जिंस हमें बुझिबा. So प्रथमे point कौन कहला, the incident ray must travel from denser to rarer. So let us consider this one is your denser medium. Suppose any glass substrate or anything, and this is your air. It is a rarer medium. Okay. So there is a source of light, विभिन्न ray of light pass करछि perpendicular lines हमें wave fronts जोटा ray को हमें observe करथिले. So there is a source of light. प्रथम ray, first ray 90 degree गला, 90 degree undeviated कोन कला pass थी. Okay, so तापर second ray there is a angle of incidence. Suppose there is a certain angle of incidence that is not 90 degree. Okay, so if there is a certain angle of incidence, so when the light pass from denser to rarer medium, light bends away from the normal. Similarly, third ray out the angle of incidence हमें बढ़ेले. Similarly, it bends away from the more away from the normal. तापर out the हमें angle of incidence बढ़ेले. Fourth ray रे, okay, D ray रे. So again आउरी away from the normal से चलला. Because the light is passing from what? Denser medium to rarer medium. तापर एमती गोटे कंडीशन आसीबो जोटे कि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस गोटे पर्टिकुलर एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस रे ए जो लाइट टा रिफ्रैक्टेड रे टा बेंड हे कोन हे जिवो एमती पैरेलल 90 डिग्री एंगल रे चलिबो. नॉर्मल रु 90 डिग्री एंगल रे चलिबो. सो देयर इज ए certain angle of incidence. There is a certain angle of incidence when angle of refraction when angle of refraction is 90 degree. There is a certain angle of incidence when angle of refraction is 90 degree when the light is traveling from a denser medium to a rarer medium. A point when the light is traveling from a denser medium to a rarer. A point nihati bhavare likhiବାକୁ okay. So ei bhaliya condition jetebale satisfy hobo, this angle of incidence theta I is equal to theta c, that is called critical angle. ei bhaliya angle ko ame ko kono critical angle, सेठी एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस टाको कहा जाए क्रिटिकल एंगल बुझियला। तापरे आउटे रे आहुरी थीटा आई इज ग्रेटर देन थीटा सी जेतेबेले हबो, थीटा आई इज ग्रेटर आहुरी एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हम पढिली जेतेबेले कोन होची रे टी आहुरी कोन हबो आहुरी बेंड हबो अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल हेग्री कोन होई जिवो ना सेम मीडियम को रिफ्लेक्ट कर जिवो, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन आउ रिफ्रैक्शन होबोनी। टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन माने सही जो मीडियम रे लाइट इंसिडेंट रे जाउथबो सही मीडियम को फाइनली कोन करिवो रे ऑफ लाइट पास कर दिवो। लुक एट दिस फिगर, सेकंड फिगर, एटा होची एयर, एटा होची तमरो ग्लास, आ भीतर गोटे सोर्स ऑफ लाइट अछि, पैरेलल बीम अगेन रिफ्रैक्शन हे गेला, पैरेलल बीम रिफ्रैक्शन हे गेला, बट सर्टेन क्रिटिकल एंगल रो अधिका जतेले हे गेला एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, light is traveling back to the same medium and this is all closed in a chamber बुझिउछ ना नहीं। so these are the, this is called total internal reflection। ए phenomena टाको कहा जाय कोन total internal reflection। so तमु के पचारिबो what is called critical angle। so when light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, there is a certain angle of incidence when the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree, that is called critical angle। that angle of incidence is called critical angle। what is called total internal reflection na when a ray of light traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, okay, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the ray of light comes back to the same medium, reflects back to the same medium, that phenomena is called as this phenomena is called as total internal reflection। okay, law kon कहूची angle mu1 sin theta 1 is equal to mu2 sin theta 2 okay। so the mu1 sin theta 1 mu2 sin theta 2 हला जतेबेले एठी थीटा c होची माने एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू क्रिटिकल एंगल होची, तो सेतेबेले हम कोन पकेबा। so mu1 माने ता ए भीतरटा होची सपोज ग्लास, this is your glass and this is your air। when a light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then only total internal reflection can happen। and total internal reflection को केस रे होची when थीटा माने क्रिटिकल एंगल रीच हैला जाएगी तापरे ता परवर्ती एंगल रे क्रिटिम तमरो टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन हो। सो mu1 is your suppose glass, so right here glass, mu glass sin theta 1 जगह हमें theta c पकेवा, when angle of incidence reaching the critical angle, the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree, so equal to mu air sin 90 degree। what is sin 90 degree 1 okay। so एठी हम कोन लिखि परिबा जॉइन होचंदी सब लेट रे। so mu glass divided by what is the refractive index of air 1 कोइची refractive index of air किबा vacuum, these are all 1 okay, is equal to 1 by sin theta c किबा sin c। so that is the formula for the critical angle, mu is equal to 1 by sin c, formula for the critical angle। so same basis रे गोटे problem देखिबा। okay, so this is the problem। a ray of light incident normally on face AB of an isotopic, so the least value of refractive index of the prism should have kete 50 So we can put that formula. I mute karo. So we can put that formula. So it is total internal light is incident on this surface and it is internally reflected back along the same medium. Okay, तापरे एठू again reflection हेकरी बाहर को पळौची एटा होची तमरो emergent ray. So एठी आमे गोटे normal draw करिवा एई surface को गोटे normal draw करिवा. So what will be this angle and this angle? Anyone who can say?
So equal.
45 degree na nahi equal
45 degree.
45 degree hobo. So mu is equal to 1 by sin theta c किंबा c. Okay, so एठी हम कौन पकेगा थीटा c किंबा थीटा i. अरे एटा क्रिटिकल एंगल पर ही टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन होची ना. सो हमें एठी कौन पके 1 by sin 45 degree sin 45 degree. सो हमें ये जो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस को क्रिटिकल एंगल बोली भाबिबा ना नहीं. सो 1 by sin 45 degree जदि हम पकेबा केते पाइबा. So sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So reciprocal हे गेले this is root 2. So root 2 will be your answer.
Sir, incident rate of critical component.
अरे when angle of incidence is equal to critical angle then only total internal reflection happen ना. पढ़ेली परा टिके पूर्वरु क्रिटिकल एंगल जते बेले रीच न कला तबे केमती टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन हे परिबो. इडी बात देखु जे when theta I माने एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू क्रिटिकल एंगल. मु तबे लास्ट क्लास रे डेफिनेशन कहितली क्रिटिकल एंगल माने कोन. There exists a certain angle when a light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. So there exists a certain critical angle where when the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. That आउरी अधिका पळेले it is internally reflected back to the same medium. तो सेही जिंस एठी माने ग्लास भितरे जेतळे माने टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन होची तो सेठी हम कोन देखिले ना सेही भलिया प्रिज्म रे. So mu glass divided by what is the refractive index of air 1. कोई refractive index of air किंबा vacuum these are all 1. Okay, is equal to 1 by sin theta c किंबा sin c. So that is the formula for the critical angle. Mu is equal to 1 by sin c. So for more informative and educational videos like this, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.